Dr. Cutter with the Chainsaw Hospital, and today we're going to be asking a question, a little bit different than our normal videos. Well, answering a question, actually. A little bit different than our normal repair videos where we're taking stuff apart, fixing it, putting it all back together. But there was a question that was posed to me by an individual, and they said, can you use Stihl chainsaw chain on a Husqvarna? And it's a legitimate question, absolutely. So I tell you what, I'm going to get you guys in here a little closer, and we're going to examine uh, the chains and some numbers and things, and see if we can figure out, can you actually use Stihl chainsaw chain on a Husqvarna? So I've got this Husqvarna 281 XP, and right now I've got some Oregon chain on here on an Oregon bar. And this is a Husqvarna, and these are really nice if you're familiar with them. But I've got this steel chain here, and the question was, can this be used on this saw? So let's answer that question. So right now we've got the bar and chain attached to the saw, but if you look on your bar, not all bars, but on this bar in particular, you'll see right here, right against the where it mounts to the saw here, that there are a lot of numbers. And I'll read those out to you. And that says it's 3/8, which means it's 3/8 pitch, 72 drive lengths, and .050 inches, which was the gauge. So if we look at our steel chain here in a box, it says here on the box, and if it doesn't, it might have it written on top what everything is going on. But this is a 3/8 pitch, and it says it's .050 inches, and this happens to be 84 drive lengths for a 72 inch, or 84 drive lengths for a 25 incher, what's actually a 24-inch bar. And down here it says, the sharpening angles and the size file to use and the depth of the rakers and the filing angle. But the main thing is we're not really worried about this 84 drivers because we can get this in 72 also. But the main thing we need to know is the pitch and the gauge. And this bar says it's 72, but this box says 84. So to answer the question, absolutely, this chain can be used on a Husqvarna chainsaw if I had a 24-inch bar. So let me go grab a 24-inch bar real quick, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So here's this Husqvarna bar, and this is a 24-inch bar. We've got some numbers back here again, just kind of matching the other one. And you can see it's hard nose and it's 24 inches right here. .050 is the gauge, 3/8 of an inch is the pitch, and 84 drive lengths. So with knowing that information, can we use this steel chain on this bar? And the answer is absolutely. So there it is right there. We've proven that we can use it. It's all matches up. All the numbers match up. And also I wanted to cover, I've got this Jansred's box here, and you can also see this is a 72 driver. I'm sorry, this is an 84 driver also, and this is 3/8 pitch, .050 inches. So to answer the question, this Jansred chain can go on that same 24-inch bar also. So I just wanted to cover all that with you. And that does that make sense? If it doesn't make sense, please leave a comment down below, and we can figure it out and go from there. Well, that was pretty easy. Once you know what to look for and the numbers to check out and the numbers on the bar there and the numbers right here, you can pretty much narrow down what chain can be used where. So when you go to order chain, make sure you know all those numbers, and it'll make life a whole lot easier. So there are also different gauges, different pitches and everything. So just make sure you match it all up. So either way, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And remember, keep your chain sharp and stay safe.